So once you put in fresh batteries, the first thing you want to do is turn on the flash and then turn on the trigger. I'm going to make sure the trigger is put on top of your camera here, and you can just tighten it up using the wheel here. The next thing you want to do, if this is set like this, you want to make sure that your flash is in manual mode. So that's the M that you see here at the top. If it says ETTL, you just want to hit the mode button. If it says this or if it says multi, you don't want either one of those. You want to make sure that it goes to M, which is manual. The next thing you want to do is hold down the mode button, and you want to make sure that it's set to this setting here. So you see where it says 622 remote slave CFN. You want to make sure that your flash is set to that. If you hold the mode button down, there's two other options. Neither one of those is going to make the flash trigger. So you make sure you hold it down, and then it says again 622 remote slave CFN. The next thing you want to pay attention to here is where it says the letter C. You can change this using this button here. Since you have one flash, it doesn't really matter what you set it on the flash. Let's just say you're on C here. When you look back at your trigger, anything that you change in terms of the flash power, you want to make sure that the arrow here is also on the C. So just hit the GR button to C, and then you want to make sure that it's in manual mode. So again, you hit the mode button, and now where it says M, now you know that the C flash is on manual mode. 1/1 means full power. If you use this arrow back here, 1/2 is half power, quarter power, eighth power, 16th, 32nd, and so on. For most of the homes that we shoot, you can set it to quarter power, to half, to full. So when you're shooting in a room, you take a picture with the flash and it looks too bright, you could just simply press the arrow button back to put it to half power. I'd say most likely you'll be between quarter power and half power most of the time. If you want to test to make sure that your trigger is paired with the flash, you can just hit the test button, and then you'll see the flash go off. It's likely that if your battery is too low, and so the indicator upper right shows the battery power, then that might mean that you need fresh batteries, and so you'll need to change those out. But it's as simple as that. Again, this arrow can change here using the GR button. So again, whatever your flash letter is, again, in case it's C here, make sure the arrow is pointing to the C here to actually control the power. If the arrow is pointed to A, but your flash is pointing to a different letter, it's not going to correspond. As you can see, it shows quarter power here, and then it shows half power up here, so they're not synced. So make sure, again, that those letters match with the arrow. So C here and C here.